Hey everyone. So, have you ever started one of those projects that you wish you never started? Well, this is definitely one of them. I remember thinking about 2 months ago, wow, it'd be really neat to have power windows in the Camaro. Wouldn't that be great? Yeah, well, reality set in. What a nightmare. It's funny because now hand crank windows are seeming just like the technological marvel of the century. Easy, simple, but anyway, I'm just bitching. It's actually going to be really cool when this is done. It's just way more work than I planned. I laugh because the guy that sold me all the parts, one of his emails exact words were, you'll be amazed how easy the kit is to install. Yeah, right. Anyway, so here's the switch. I mounted this. I had to pull the center console and mount this. This is where the factory location is on the cars that have power windows. And then all these down here kind of had to tuck away. These are, I believe these are relays. There's 4 of them. They're pretty sizable. They're either relays or they're kind of like a computer brain because the electronics are all modern. In other words, it'll have one button down or one touch down, one touch up, kind of like a modern car. But the real headache has been I've had to run a power lead from the battery and then had to come in. The power lead is coming in right here, and then that powers everything, and then I got to run 2 grounds underneath the dash, and then the harness from here goes up, goes along in there, and then it snakes underneath and then over. The real headache, you can see it on this door, was getting the wiring through the door. I had to pull the kick panel, which I broke right here. I got to patch that and paint it. You won't even notice when I'm done. But I had to pull the kick panel and then run the wires through and then through the door here. And I'll do some kind of, I'll do like loom on here so this looks good. And then in through here and then in through here. There's the lead for the window. Here's the lead for the other leads for the speaker. Here's the leads for the power window inside there. So anyway, it'll once it's done, it'll be awesome. It's just it's been a lot of, I've got so many other things I'm doing that it's just been hard to find time to complete this, but I'm going to push myself, get it done today and just be done with it. All right.